Hello everyone, welcome to our first video on this channel. This channel is going to be dedicated to the creation process of such paintings as the one you see back here, which is almost done, but this first video is going to be taking a look at the creation process as we take a painting from the first initial phase of block in. It's already blocked in with acrylics, and then we're going to move on to the oil paint with respect to trying to go through the modeling phase, the detail phase, and finally to finishing it off. What you're going to see is a first step in a video. I'd like to go ahead and apologize from the beginning that this video is definitely going to be one of the worst videos you're going to see on this channel. As you'll see in the video, it is time-lapse, so I'm not going to put you through the whole hour-long process it took to make it. However, you're going to see a lot of shoulder in the scene and a lot of other things that I'm not going to subject you to. But as we're discovered throughout this channel, we're going to get better during the time frame. The process is going to get better. My hopes is that you'll be able to see and maybe even pick up some tips and learning throughout the process as I put myself under the microscope with respect to how I go about the creation process. Let you know up front, I'm not a professional by no means. I am all self-taught. This painting project has been a love-hate relationship for 30 plus years, and this is where we're at now. I feel that it was a good time to go ahead and start recording these videos because I think that it is something that is interesting. It's interesting to me, obviously, and hopefully it's going to be interesting to you. And so as we put together these videos, my hopes is to start from the beginning and all the way to the finish. That way you can see the whole creation process of what it takes to create such paintings as what I am able to illustrate. Throughout this creation process, my whole dedication is to demonstrate that, but also with the mindset of recreating God's majesty one canvas at a time. That's kind of my key phrase. So what we're going to be looking at today is a beachside landscape. Really cool colors in it, really cool tones. My palette is just your standard palette. In the upcoming videos, I'll probably put forward some of those colors that I'll be using in the project. If you would like to see those colors listed on the screen in any given video, feel free to put a comment down below and we'll go ahead and dedicate time to doing so. But with this video, it's about 13 minutes long. It is time-lapsed. You can watch it through, but what I want you to do is hang on to the end of the video because I'm going to make another announcement at the very end as we close the video out. But until then, enjoy the video. And welcome back. If you made it this far, then I imagine that you probably enjoyed the content. Hopefully it wasn't too painful to watch. Like I said, we're still in the learning phase with respect to where the camera needs to be, what angles we need to have, the lighting structure we're going to need. Whatever your suggestions are, whatever your remarks are, feel free to put it in the comment section below. But as we continue to do this process, hopefully that we can grow as a group together, and we can feed off each other what you're interested in seeing, what you would like answered. If you have any questions or anything that you see in the video that you would like a little more emphasis on, put that in the comment section as well. But hopefully this content will be enjoyed. Hopefully we can learn something from this content, and all together it'll develop over time, and I look forward to doing so. My announcement was, like I said, I'm going to follow this Seascape all the way through to the end, but there may be some videos coming up where we finish such paintings like the one we see in the back here. Almost close to finishing that one, so I may throw in a few videos on that. But as we move forward in this particular series and in this particular channel, my intent is to show you exactly how the process is done. So if you like the content, if you feel like that it is something that you want to follow through with, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow, help us gain interest as far as what I can do to produce better content for you, and also to help instruct or teach along the way. So until next time, have a good day and God bless.